Hello families. Tonight's homework is going to be focused on writing a multiplication equation for a picture of equal groups or a type diagram. So one side of their homework has equal groups, the other side has the tape diagram. And I will show both examples here. So we'll start with our equal groups. So I'm going to create two groups with 2, 3 stars in each, which is equal to having 6. And again, for the first chapter, I'm always going to tell them what the total amount of objects is, because the goal for this is not that they can solve the equation, but that they can see the strategy and know what equation they would use to solve it. And vice versa, that they can see an equation and then decide which strategy would be best for them to solve it before we get to the point of memorizing facts. So in this case, I have one group, two group. So two groups of, and there are 1, 2, 3 in each group. Now this means that I would multiply my two groups times the 3 in each group to get my total of 6. And as I've said in the previous two nights of videos, we are also learning about the commutative property, which is the flip-flop property, and means that I could also write this as 3 in each of two groups to equal that 6. Now, tape diagrams are very similar to how groups look. So a tape diagram, and we call it that because it looks like a piece of tape, and then it's going to be separated. And then it'll have a number in each. And we'll do 5 in each one. And then this is how we show the total, which is 20. So the first thing they do is they figure out how many boxes they have in their tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So this tape diagram has 4 boxes of 5, because there's a 5 in each box. This means that my equation would be 4 boxes times the 5 in each box would equal my total of 20. And as I've said before, the commutative property states that I could also write this as 5 times 4, and it will still equal 20. And as I've said previously, please encourage your student to write the multiplication equation both ways to help them with that connection. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me over the private messages on Dojo. Thank you.